Alright, y'all. Have some Chinese Asian chicken wings. First, her crack sauce. Crack sauce. Oh, yes. Made a mistake. I did not. I had some cilantro earlier, and I totally forgot to add it to my crack sauce, and I added to my other dish. So, kind of pissed about that. But I did add some green onions to this, so hopefully it doesn't make too much of a difference. Also have a Korean-inspired daikon soup, and I had this at a Korean restaurant the other day, and it was just so good, so clean and everything. I just added some chili garlic oil. Give it a try. So good. Anyway, let's get into the wings. Let's try by itself first, though. Look at that. So foolproof. It's so good. Let's try this crack sauce in here. The daikon is so tender. Ooh, spicy. So good. Chinese crack sauce and also Asian chicken wings is like the best. 10 out of 10, foolproof. I make my so good, so comforting. I made my daikon soup so good. Very easy to make. So simple. All right, bye guys.